to the Grime video. This one's another requested video requested by Neuro, and it's based around rap battling, clashes, diss tracks, stuff like that. I'm going to focus more on rap battling and clashing an opponent face to face in this video. So I've got my notepad, I've got tips and techniques that will definitely help you out with this. So if you've got an opponent that you want to write bars for, this is the video for you. So getting straight into it, the first thing I'd like to tell you is, don't worry about rhyme schemes and all that crap. Focus on punchlines. Your purpose in doing this is to attack. Focus on punchlines. You want to attack, 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 attack. And when you do this, have 3 main points to attack your opponent with, right? 3 main points that you know or think through studying your opponent's bars and what they talk about, your opponent is insecure about, that you can attack them on. Again, I cannot stress this enough. The point is to diss. So forget the technical rhyming techniques, right? That's for songs and stuff like that and for freestyles. But this is a rap battle, so you want to attack, you want to focus on the punchline. You get an idea of focusing on just punchlines. If you don't know what I mean, would be something like this. So you're facing someone who, let's say you've listened to the tracks, you've done some due diligence and researched them, and they're into acting big, they're egotistical. You can attack their ego by spitting a bar, something like this. You're not bad, fam, you're not threatening your own crack and your own heroin. You're not bad, fam, you're not threatening your own crack and your own heroin. Right, so something like that, just an example there, but you get what I mean. So you don't want no fancy rhyme schemes, you don't want to worry about the flow too much. Obviously still flow, but bars that attack, that constantly just, you're dissing, right? So constantly just break down your opponent. And the last tip I'm going to give you before I end this video is to know your audience. So if you're in a clash, a grime clash or a rap battle situation, you want to know your audience. Example, right? If you're spitting bars about how your opponent can't handle spliff, can't handle weed in front of a crowd that doesn't care about weed, it's not gonna fly, it's not gonna work, right? It's not gonna get a reaction out of the audience. If you're spitting outdated mom jokes and overused mom jokes, again, if it's a bit more of a mature audience, it's not gonna fly, it's not gonna work. So you need to think about what audience is there and what bars will get them, you know, reacting. And if they react, that gets your opponent nervous, and if you see the nervousness in your opponent, it raises your morale and allows you to keep coming with those type of bars and shows you the right direction to keep going in attacking your opponent. Alright, but that is it for the tips I have in this particular video. If you'd like me to make a video on diss tracks specifically, like I have for this one for grime clashes and rap battles, then just comment down below and I'll make sure to do that. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're a subscriber, big blessings to you, big respect. I appreciate it, it really helps the channel out. And if you want to take your development a bit further, check out the link in the description for my Patreon. I've got videos in there that are more in depth than the videos on the channel. I also upload more frequently on Patreon, so be sure to check that out if you want to take your development to the next level. But as I said, that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.